Signing up for Zenler is really easy. Go to newzenler.com, click Get Started Free, simply put your email address into here and click Request Invite. Now you will jump into your email account and check for the request. Now you can see you've got an invite. Click this and click here to sign up. Now we're going to click Sign Up Now. Choose the site name. This will be the first part of your new Zenler site. So whatever your site is, .newzenler.com. Make sure you click Agree to receive emails about your product and special offers. Click Sign Up. Then you are almost there. We will need to send a one-time code to your mobile to complete your account setup. Enter your mobile number here, click Send One-Time Code and enter that code into the box and click Verify. And now your site will be set up with the default themes and you're ready to go. Now you have access to your site. You can see your new site here, supportdocs.newzenler.com. So this will be whatever you've called it, this first part. And now you can go into here and you can go into the admin of your site to get access to all your site pages and dashboard.